Well, today is the longest day of the year, and you can see plenty of that sunshine, clear skies behind me, and lots of people getting outside enjoying this baseball game. And now there is a baseball game right behind me, so if you hear a thump followed by radio silence, then you know that's probably what happened to me, a foul ball. So as we look ahead for tomorrow, which is Father's Day, you can enjoy more of those warm temperatures if you're in areas like Southeast and into the interior. Now, South Central is still going to feel warm, but slightly cooler temperatures with highs in Anchorage around 64 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies rolling in for South Central, while parts of the interior will see some partly sunny skies and mostly cloudy skies, as well as those afternoon thunderstorms. Now, across the state, we still have that fire danger fairly high with red flag warnings in effect. Heat advisories spanning from the Yukon Flats and down into Southeast. This is where temperatures are climbing into the 80s, even feeling a little closer to the 90s in some parts of the state. But you can also see lots of those lightning flashes across parts of the Alaska Range and spanning into the interior. Now, yesterday was our most active lightning day of the year with over 4,000 lightning strikes, but today officially marks the most active lightning day with over 5,000 lightning strikes. We are still expecting more of that activity to continue into tomorrow, but you can also see in our satellite and radar some of that white spanning up from the Gulf. That's what's going to bring in some of those cloudy skies for areas of South Central, and coastal rain for Homer and into Seward. Kodiak all the way to Dillingham and Bethel are another few areas that can expect to see even more of those showers for your Sunday. Now, as we look ahead for Southeast, more of that sunshine, plentiful sun, and even more of those warm temperatures spanning all the way into the 70s. Even some areas cooling down a little bit more to the mid to low 60s. Yakutat will see an increase in that cloud cover with mostly cloudy skies, while the rest of the region sees mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. So enjoy that warmth. It's going to be dry across the area. Meanwhile, into parts of the interior, this is where we're actually going to see an increase in clouds. Some of those rain showers passing through areas closer to the Alaska Range and those afternoon thunderstorms. Now, Fairbanks does have a chance to see even more of that rain continuing through the overnight hours tonight, but for your Sunday, expect mostly thunderstorms for your evening. Temperatures warming up into the 80s, and you can see that's why we have that red flag warning staying in effect with those dry conditions, and with that thunderstorm activity, that just leads on to more of that fire danger. Yukon Flats still facing that heat advisory all the way into tomorrow evening, but areas like the North Slope cooling down just a little bit, temperatures reaching into the 40s, and even closer to the Brooks Range in Anaktuvuk. That's where temperatures are riding up a little bit closer to the 70s, partly sunny skies to mostly cloudy skies for the region. Meanwhile, in western Alaska, mostly sunshine, temperatures reaching the 60s, even into the 70s. As you progress a little bit closer to the interior from western Alaska, that's where you're going to see an increase in that chance for thunderstorms. Areas like Bethel into McGrath, as well as into Dillingham, that's where more of those scattered showers are likely for the region in western Alaska. But for the Aleutian Chain into Dillingham, that morning fog is a big possibility. So if you're a pilot, tomorrow morning might not be the best time to go flying. Plan a little bit later in your day for those flights, but high temperatures reaching near 50 degrees. And for South Central, this is an area where mostly cloudy skies are expected to roll in, partly sunny to mostly cloudy. That chance of showers rolling in for coastal areas from Homer to Seward, as well as Kodiak. Temperatures in the 50s and into the 50s as well for Prince William Sound. Into Cordova, overcast skies. A little bit warmer in Gulkana at 72 degrees. Now for the Matsu Valley, mostly sunshine, temperatures reaching up a little bit closer to 70 degrees. That chance of thunderstorms will continue into Talkeetna as well as Willow. And for areas like Anchorage, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures a little bit cooler at 64 degrees. And for that 7-day forecast, tomorrow is Father's Day. Be sure to get outside, but also be aware of that fire danger we have going on. While it still will be mostly cloudy, we have that chance of rainfall, but temperatures slightly cooler at 64 degrees. I'll have the rest of our 7 days coming up just a little bit later, Tracy.
Thanks, Bailey, and I'm glad no one hit the foul ball your direction. That's good. That gives me comfort.